হ্যালো বন্ধুরা, আশা করি তোমরা সবাই ভালো আছো। আজকে আমাদের টপিক হলো ভয়েস চেঞ্জ পার্ট 1। বিভিন্ন জবের পরীক্ষায় এই ভয়েসগুলো এসেছে। আশা করি এগুলো বাসায় প্র্যাকটিস করলে এখান থেকে তোমাদের বিভিন্ন জবের পরীক্ষায় আশা করি কমন আসবে। চলো এবার ভয়েসগুলো দেখে নিয়ে, আশা করি তত সময় তোমরা সবাই সাথেই থাকবে। I have a cat. A cat is had by me. We don't like idle people. Idle people are not liked by us. I don't like puffed rice. Puffed rice is not liked by me. We do not hate the poor. The poor are not hated by us. Fortune favors the brave. The brave are favored by fortune. All his pupils like him. He is liked by all his pupils. They love each other. They are loved by each other. He has given me a book. A book has been given to me by him. He gave me a pen. A pen was given to me by him. The cow gives us milk. Milk is given to us by the cow. He made us work. Work was made by him for us. He pleases us. We are pleased with him. A song was sung by Rupa. Rupa sang a song. Cats kill mice. Mice are killed by cats. We read the newspapers daily. The newspapers are read by us daily. Mukta is writing a letter. A letter is being written by Mukta. They were flying kites. Kites were being flown by them. I had written the letter. The letter had been written by me. Kamal has made tea. Tea has been made by Kamal. A storm has uprooted the tree. The tree has been uprooted by a storm. He has pulled down the curtain. The curtain has been pulled down by him. I had been doing the work for 5 days. The work had been being done by me for 5 days. I shall do the work. The work will be done by me. You will be helped by me. I shall help you. I shall be teaching him. He will be being taught by me. We shall be talking tea. Tea will be being taken by us. He killed himself. He was killed by himself. Leela fans herself. Leela is fanned by herself. His behavior surprised me. I was surprised at his behavior. The boy pleased us. We were pleased with the boy. He annoyed me. I was annoyed with him. His conduct annoyed me. I was annoyed at his conduct. Panic seized me. I was seized with panic. Smoke fills the room. The room is filled with smoke. Do you know them? Are they known to you? His behavior worried us. We were worried about his behavior. Take care of your health. Let your health be taken care of. We talked of by us. We talked of them. I knew him. He was known to me. বন্ধুরা, যদি ভুল ত্রুটি হয়ে থাকে তোমরা সবাই ক্ষমাসুলভ দৃষ্টিতে দেখবে, আর পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটি প্রেস করবে, আর আমাদের গুরুত্বপূর্ণ ভিডিওটি পেতে আমাদের সাথেই লাইক, কমেন্ট, শেয়ার দিয়ে থাকবে।